Best fuel system cleaners remove carbon buildup, improve engine performance, boost fuel efficiency, and help extend your vehicle's lifespan. My today's video is about top 5 best fuel system cleaners that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Redline 60103 SI1 Complete Fuel System Cleaner. The Redline SI1 Complete Fuel System Cleaner stands out as a premium fuel additive designed to restore engine performance and keep fuel systems running efficiently. Its concentrated detergent formula works deep inside injectors, carburetors, valves, and combustion chambers to remove stubborn carbon deposits and harmful buildup. Drivers may notice smoother acceleration, improved throttle response, and better fuel economy after treatment. What makes this cleaner especially impressive is its ability to stabilize gasoline while reducing gum and varnish formation that can affect long-term engine health. The corrosion protection feature also helps preserve critical fuel system components, making it a smart preventative maintenance solution. Using it is simple, just pour one bottle into a full tank for maximum cleaning effectiveness. The near-complete cleaning capability in a single treatment makes it highly convenient compared to weaker alternatives. With two 15-ounce bottles included, this pack offers excellent value for maintaining consistent engine performance and reliability. Now our second product is Cataclean Fuel and Exhaust System Cleaner. The Cataclean Fuel and Exhaust System Cleaner is a highly effective solution for drivers dealing with emissions issues, reduced fuel economy, or persistent check engine lights. Designed to clean catalytic converters, oxygen sensors, fuel injectors, and DPF filters, it helps restore overall engine efficiency while reducing harmful carbon buildup. Many users appreciate its ability to lower hydrocarbon emissions and improve the chances of passing tough emissions or smog tests. Performance improvements are noticeable after treatment, with smoother acceleration, restored engine power, and better fuel combustion that can lead to improved gas mileage. One of its biggest advantages is helping resolve common engine codes like P0420 and P0430 without immediately resorting to expensive repairs or part replacements. The formula is easy to use, simply pour it into the fuel tank with no tools required. Safe for gasoline, diesel, and hybrid engines, Cataclean is a convenient preventative maintenance product that supports cleaner operation and longer catalytic converter life. Our third product is Seafoam Motor Treatment Fuel System Cleaner. The Seafoam Motor Treatment is a versatile maintenance solution trusted by drivers for improving engine performance and extending engine life. Its deep cleaning formula effectively removes fuel residue, varnish, and carbon deposits from injectors, carburetors, and combustion chambers, helping restore lost power, smoother idling, and better fuel economy. Regular use every 3,000 miles can noticeably improve overall engine responsiveness. What makes Seafoam especially valuable is its multi-purpose functionality. Beyond fuel system cleaning, it also works as an oil treatment by dissolving sludge and deposits inside the crankcase, helping oil flow properly and reducing engine wear. The fuel stabilizer feature is another major advantage, keeping gasoline and diesel fresh for up to 2 years while preventing gum and varnish formation during storage. Compatible with gasoline, diesel, ethanol blends, and synthetic oils, Seafoam works in cars, trucks, motorcycles, boats, lawn equipment, and more, making it one of the most flexible engine treatments available. Now number 4, Gumout 510013W6PK Fuel System Cleaner. The high-mileage fuel system cleaner is an excellent solution for older vehicles showing signs of reduced performance or declining fuel efficiency. Specifically designed for engines with over 75,000 miles, this cleaner targets stubborn carbon deposits that build up over time in fuel injectors, intake valves, and intake ports. After treatment, many drivers notice smoother acceleration, improved throttle response, and better fuel economy. One of its strongest benefits is long-term engine protection. By preventing future carbon buildup and helping reduce harmful emissions, it supports cleaner engine operation and may improve overall engine reliability. The formula is also oxygen sensor safe, which is important for maintaining proper emissions system performance without risking damage to sensitive components. Another advantage is its compatibility with turbocharged and supercharged engines, making it suitable for a wide range of modern vehicles. Since it will not void OEM or manufacturer warranties, drivers can confidently use it as part of regular maintenance to help extend engine life and restore lost performance. And our last choice is Motor Power Care Catalytic Converter Cleaner. The Catalytic Converter Cleaner delivers impressive results for drivers struggling with emissions problems, poor engine efficiency, or persistent check engine lights. Backed by government-tested data, it significantly reduces harmful HC and NOx emissions, making it a strong option for improving the chances of passing smog and emissions tests. Its advanced German-engineered formula deeply cleans catalytic converters, oxygen sensors, EGR valves, turbochargers, and fuel injectors to restore smoother engine operation. One of the standout benefits is its ability to help clear common P0420 and P0430 fault codes without immediately replacing expensive catalytic converters. Many users appreciate the simple 40-minute treatment process. Just pour it into the fuel tank and drive normally while the cleaner works throughout the exhaust system, safe for all gasoline and hybrid engines. This TÜV-certified cleaner also works well as preventative maintenance when used regularly. Considering catalytic converter replacement can cost thousands, this cleaner offers an affordable and convenient alternative for maintaining long-term engine and emissions system performance. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.